Find out which one's number 5, which one's number 1, and which one refuses to stand up right now. Hey everyone, this is Tom with Fresh Vintage Garage. Today we have a special video for you. We're doing top 5 Bluetooth dongle scan tools. Quick note, these are not standalone units. You need an Android, or in this case an iOS phone, to complete the scan tool. So you have the phone and then the Bluetooth dongle. What we're starting off with here, right here, is what you don't buy. Don't buy any of these. You see them on Temu and Amazon and stuff. These things are crap. They work, but they're not that good, honestly, and they're not something you want to have in your toolbox day to day. We're going to start with the top 5 and show you certified, tested. We've tested and confirmed that they work. The software's solid, and they actually will, bring you OBD2 functionality, code reading, live data graphing, and so on for years to come. Let's get started with number 5 right now. Coming in at number 5 is the Thinkcar Thinkdiag 2. So Thinkcar makes a pretty solid product here. The Thinkdiag 2, there's also a Thinkdiag 1 if memory serves correct. You plug it in. It's obviously bigger. I lovingly call it about the size of a stick of deodorant, but this screws into the top, and then you use your phone, the other half of the equation there. Does all the usual suspects, OBD2, live data graphing. I believe this will actually read, the special thing here with this is read some ECU info and actuation tests and bidirectional control. So check out the full video we did down in the description of the video you're watching right now on this unit. Decent tool, and it's coming in at number 5. Let's check out number 4 right now. Coming in at number 4 is the Xtool Anyscan A30M. Big shout out to Xtool for sending this over. The Anyscan A30M, neat little tool. Obviously you need a cell phone, Android, or iOS to complete the scan tool, but does all your usual suspects, OBD2 code reading, live data. I believe it does some bidirectional control. A few things that are really cool is you can see on the box, it has 12.7, so you can see your battery's voltage the entire time it's plugged into your car, so you're not guessing, you're not having to dig through the software on your phone in the app to find it. Also, we've not seen this on any other scan tool, a light. This is such a no-brainer, simple thing that when you're under a dark dash fishing around for that OBD2 port, this is a fantastic thing, and every other person on this list, top 5, should have this on their 2025 and newer dongles. So let's check out number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the Xtool X Advancer AD20. So dare I call this thing the small French fry of the group, but the AD20 here packs a lot of cool features, including a few you may not have ever seen before on a scan tool. It does all the usual stuff, code reading, live data. It does not do live data graphing, but it does do live data out of the engine and out of the computer directly into the scan tool. Something it does is it has a heads-up display, so it's almost like a second digital dashboard on your phone or tablet or something if you're using a tablet. It also has called a quasi-performance mode, and check out the link for the video down in the description of this video here to see what we mean, but it has kind of a performance. It doesn't give you horsepower and torque, but you'll see what we mean in the actual video link down below. Let's check out number 2. Coming in at number 2 is the Kingbolen Ediag. What makes the Ediag number 2 is a couple cool features. The software, and this isn't a feature per se because all of these have software, but this has some of the most fluid software on a Bluetooth dongle we've ever seen. Very, very solid unit, very seamless. All the usual suspects, OBD2, code reading, live data graphing, bidirectional support. It will read some ECU info, and it has like oil light resets and steering wheel resets, stuff like that. Pretty neat to see the bottom will light up blue or green as it's plugged in, so you know if it's communicating, or I think it flashes red or something if it's not communicating with your phone in the car. But check out the full video review we did here for the down in the description of this video here. Let's check out number 1. And coming in at number 1 is the TopDon TopScan Lite and TopScan Pro. Coming in at number 1 is the TopDon TopScan Lite and Pro. If you haven't seen the videos for these, definitely check them out in the description of the video you're watching now. What makes this number 1, aside from the usual code reading and data graphing and stuff, is the Lite and the Pro. The Pro actually has some odds and ends like immobilization. What makes these unique is the Lite has 8 service functions. The Pro has 13 if I remember correctly, and that includes injector coding and then a sunroof initialization, and there's a few other ones. It also does immobilization, which take that with a grain of salt simply because Anyscan tool we found to be a little finicky because all the OEMs and immobilization is a kind of a gray area. It's kind of like key reprogramming, honestly. But check out the video link for both of these down here in the description of this video. One other thing that this has, which we really like, is a performance mode. And you'll see it as I'm talking on the screen here. But depending on the car you have, this has horsepower and torque ratings built right into this unit. So really cool feature to see. You can put it in your car and kind of see how it's performing, what kind of performance you're actually getting out of any given vehicle. You can find, like I said, the video links for all of these top 5 down in the description of the video watching now. And if you're thinking of maybe stepping up into some lower end mid-range scan tools, you can find a really nice one here, and you can find a really nice one right down here. With that, thanks for watching Fresh Vintage Garage. If you like scan tools, if you like shop equipment, if you like keeping your cars certified fresh, Fresh Vintage Garage is your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.